In this video, I'm going to show you guys a shortcut to access emojis on your PC when you're typing. So let me open WordPad, and then let me open this browser too as well. So WordPad is here, and then there's the browser. So let me show you guys a shortcut to open your emojis and then add it to what you're typing on your PC. So the shortcut is your Windows and then your full stop or your dot. So this and that, and you can see I have it here. I'm going to show that on the PC. You're going to see that. So this is it. You can just add the laughing emoji and then you can search. Now let me close that, and then I can search. You can see the laughing emojis here. So let's say you are typing on here on your WordPad or on your Word document or anything, PowerPoint or anything. You just tap on the Windows and then the full stop. So the full stop is near your comma. So I think if you use a PC, you should know where the full stop is. So you can see I can add them here. I can move to this section to add these stuff. I can move to this side. Lots of emojis. You can change their color. If you want them to be black, you can change the color to be black and the rest. So that's it on how you can use your emojis on your PC. The shortcut is your Windows and then your full stop on your PC. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.